Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alpinia Galangakusno, and today I will present a review of two journal articles related to information technology and informatics engineering. The first article is Mouse Genome Informatics and Integrated Knowledge-Based System for the Laboratory Mouse. And the second article is IoT-Based Water Monitoring System, a Systematic Review. In this presentation, I will explain the identity of each article, the introduction, summary, strength and weakness, my personal evaluation, and the conclusion. So let's get started. Okay, next, the first let me introduce the first article. The title of this article is Mouse Genome Informatics and Integrated Knowledge-Based System for the Laboratory Mouse. It was written by Richard M. Baldereri, Cynthia L. Smith, Martin Ringwald, Joel A. Ricardson, Carol J. Bolt, and the Mouse Genome Informatics Group. In this journal name Genetics, publication in 224, volume 2027, issue 1, page 25 page. Okay, next, introduction. Scientific database play a vital role in bioinformatics, particularly in genomics and biomedical research, because they enable research to store, organize, and access large amounts of genetic information efficiently. The article Mouse Genome Informatics and Integrated Knowledge-Based System for the Laboratory Mouse discuss the latest development of the Mouse Genome Informatics or MGI database, centralized platform that integrates genetic, genomic, and biological data for laboratory mice. This study is highly relevant to information technology as it demonstrates important concepts such database integration, ontology-based data annotation, knowledge management, and automate information retrieval. Overall, the article highlights how advanced bioinformatics database can improve data accessibility, support scientific research, and encourage collaboration within the research community. Okay, next, summary of the article. This article provides an update overview of the Mouse Genome Informatics or MGI system, an integrated knowledge base developed by the Jackson Laboratory for managing genetics, genomics, phenotypics, and gene expression data of laboratory mice. The study used a descriptive technical approach to present the latest system improvements rather than conducting experimental research. Major updates include the use of machine learning for automated literature classification, enhance search capabilities, expand genome and regulatory data, cell types annotation using the cell ontology, and a new gene expression profile search tool. Overall, the author concludes that MGI remains a valuable research for research by providing fair, complete data that is easy to find, access, integrate, and reuse Trebi supporting advance in bioinformatics and biomedical research. Uh, Critical analysis, strength and weakness. Strengths. The article main strengths are its integration of multiple biological databases into a single platform, the use of machine learning to automate literature classification, and its user-friendly interface with clear visual example. In addition, the MGI system follows the FAIR data principles, making the database reliable, accessible, and reachable for research. Uh, and then weakness, the article does not provide quantitative evidence to measure the effectiveness of the system improvements. It also contains many technical genetics term that might be difficult for non-specialists to understand, and some HNP data is out outdated, which may reduce the reliability of certain results. Personal evaluation. This article demonstrates that the most genome informatics or MGI system in effective platform for integrating large-scale biological data through ontology-based data organization and standardized database technologies. It provides valuable research for research by making genetics and genomic information easier to access and use. However, the article does not include quantitative evidence such as performance comparisons or user evaluation to prove the effectiveness of the system improvements. Despite this limitation, the clear database architecture of use of open standard and collaboration with alliance of genome research make MGI a reliable and sustainable platform for future bioinformatics research. Conclusion. Overall, this article provides a clear and comprehensive update on the most genome informatic or MGI system. It explains database architecture, ontology integration, and automate data processing, making it highly relevant to information technology and bioinformatics. Although it lacks detailed performance evaluation, the article remains a valuable reference for students and research, demonstrating how a large scientific database can be effectively managed maintained over time. Okay, next article. Article 2. Uh, Now let's move on the second article. The title is IoT based water monitoring system systematic review. It was written by Jalina Zulkifli, Salim Garfan, Muhammad Talal, Eiha Alamudi, Amneh Alamleh, Ibrahim Yiyi, Ahmaro Suliana, Sulaiman Abu Bakar Ibrahim, Bebe Jaidan, Amelia Ritahani, Ismail et al. Journal name Water MDPI. Publication 2022, volume 14, page 29. Okay, next slide. Introduction. Journal article are valuable source of knowledge for students and research, especially in engineering and information technology. This article review the application of the Internet of Things or IoT in water quality monitoring by analyzing findings from previous studies. It explains how IoT technology can be used to monitor water condition in real time, helping to improve environmental protection and research management. The article is highly relevant to informatics engineering because it demonstrates the practical use of IoT system in solving real-world problems. This review focuses on the research methods, key findings, and the overall contributions of IoT-based water quality monitoring to the field of information technology. Okay, next, summary of the article. This article review previous studies on Internet of Things or IoT based water quality monitoring system published between 2018 and 2022. The authors analyzes 15 selected studies from uh, three major scientific databases to identify current technologies and research trends. The review found that Arduino and Raspberry Pi are the most commonly used devices, Wi-Fi is the main communication technology, and P pH is the most frequently monitored water quality parameter. The study also concludes that no single IoT system can accurately monitor water quality in every environment. In addition, it identifies research gaps, including the lack of standardized evaluation methods, limit datasets, and the need for greater use of artificial intelligence to improve real-time water quality prediction. Next slide, critical analysis, strength and weakness. Strength, the article has several strengths. It follows the Prisma guidelines, making the review process systematic and reliable. It clearly classifies IoT water quality monitoring system into AI-based and non-AI based approach, making the technology easier to understand. The study also provides an evaluation framework based on factors such as cost, reliability, and power consumption, while identifying important research gaps for future studies. Uh, and weakness, despite its strength, the article has some limitation. It only uses a limited number of database which may exclude relevant study. The evaluation is based mainly on subjective judgment rather than quantitative measurements. In addition, the review only covers a study from 2018 and 2022 and is dominated by research from India, which may limit the applic- applicability of the findings to other regions. And then personal evaluation, in my opinion, this article provides a comprehensive and well-organized review of IoT-based water quality monitoring system. It clearly explains current technologies, research trend, and the challenge faced in developing effective monitoring system. The evaluation framework present in the article is especially useful for research and engineers because it can guide the design and improvement of future IoT solutions. Although the article has some limitations such as subjective evaluation method and limits geographical coverage, it still serves as a valuable reference for future research in IoT, environmental monitoring, and data analysis. Uh, Conclusion. Overall, this article provides a comprehensive review of IoT-based water quality monitoring system and offers a useful framework for evaluating different technologies. Although it has some limitations such as subjective evaluation, limit study period, and focus on research from specific regions. It remains a valuable reference. The article is highly beneficial for students, research, and engineering who are interested in IoT smart environmental monitoring and artificial intelligence application. Okay, that bring me to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the importance of integrate database in bioinformatics and IoT technology in environmental monitoring. If you have question, I will be happy answer them. Thank you and have a great day.